Rheem AC units can freeze up at night due to dropping temperatures. This leads to ice buildup on the evaporator coil, reducing efficiency and potentially damaging the system. The main causes are inadequate airflow, low refrigerant levels, and low ambient temperatures. Inadequate airflow occurs when a dirty filter restricts air movement, causing the coil to overcool and freeze. Low refrigerant levels lower coil pressure, causing rapid cooling and freezing. Low ambient temperatures, especially nighttime drops below 60°F, exacerbate freezing. To initially address this, start by checking your air filter. A dirty filter restricts airflow. Replace it every 1 to 3 months. Next, inspect the outdoor unit for any obstructions like leaves or debris blocking airflow. Ensure vents are open and unobstructed. Finally, consider if your thermostat is set too low, especially when nighttime temperatures are cooler than 60°F. Adjusting it higher can prevent overworking and freezing. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, you might have a refrigerant leak, indicated by continuous freezing even after cleaning the filter. This requires a professional HVAC technician to diagnose and repair. Newer Rheem models with EcoNet often provide alerts via a smartphone app for potential freezing risks. If you have such a model, monitor these alerts closely. For long-term prevention, schedule annual AC tune-ups to check refrigerant levels and system components like the expansion valve and blower motor. Consider upgrading to a smart thermostat that integrates with Rheem's EcoNet platform, allowing for proactive adjustments based on weather data and usage patterns, reducing the likelihood of nighttime freezing. Future trends include the use of refrigerants like R32, which reduces freezing risks compared to older refrigerants, and the adoption of hybrid heat pump systems with built-in antifreeze algorithms.